Today we're going to be replacing the tensioner spring on the deck of our D-170 John Deere lawnmower. This spring is located on the deck and it goes into this hole on the right side as you're looking at it. It goes into this little arm right here. Okay, we learned this trick from another video. We're going to apply it to our D-170. It was a different mower. Anyway, to get these springs out, you hook the dog leash to it and you pull it out like that. And the spring comes right off. No problem. Okay, this is the the spring that we're going to use, GX21582. I got it from John Deere, and this is what it looks like. Alright, now we're going to have to remember that this L-shaped piece right here is going to go into this hole right here, and this hook right here is going to go right into there. Okay. Okay, we're going to make sure we route this spring underneath the belt, and I'm going to take our dog leash, hook it right here. I'm going to put, anytime you do this, you need to put your feet on it to keep it from moving. And I'm going to pull this thing right there. Take that off. You got your new spring.